Did you know that 80% of kids have a heart murmur at some point of their life? I'm Dr. Yoshi, board certified pediatrician. A heart murmur is simply an extra sound heard during a heartbeat. Most of the time in babies, it's innocent, which means it's the sound of blood flowing more loudly or rapidly through the heart. Innocent murmurs are common and usually don't mean there's a heart problem. It can happen when your baby is growing quickly, has a fever, or is very active. Some murmurs do need a closer look. Your pediatrician might refer you to a pediatric cardiologist just to make sure everything's okay.